Today we are replacing the speed sensor for a 2002 Hyundai Accent. It got the 1.6, I guess. Here, I already did the work, but I'll show you guys. This is the speed sensor over here, number one. It goes under the engine mount, and it goes over there. The plug is over here, it's blue, and the other sensor is down there. Here, it's really tight area to work on, so what I did is I took off the tire. Don't worry about that. I bought this car from auction, and here is a very easy access to it. I took the plate off. It got two bolts holding, one and two small bolts, and here is the other sensor. A very easy access to it, way better than doing it from the top here. As you can see, I have opened this bolt thinking it's for the speed sensor, but it's actually for the transmission cover. So I gotta put that back. It's very easy to put it back from this side. Forgot to mention, I had to take the battery cover off, the battery bracket off, and there is the plastic cover over here with two bolts holding to the side. And of course take the whole thing over here. You don't have to take the whole thing really, but I did it so you guys can see, and it's easier to access. Some of parts you buy, they come with these ones over here instead of the brass over here for the bolt, for the ground basically. If it doesn't have this one, then you gotta take the old one and basically insert it there for the bolts to go on. But if you already have this one, I don't think this one will be important. We'll see. And as you can see, the blue one goes here. I don't know if this one is blue, but the red one, see, it goes over here, the bottom, connects there. The red one goes over here. I'm not really sure. The old one did not have that red strap, but it had red wires in it, so I assume it's over here. I'm not a certified mechanic. I'm just a home DIY, so don't rely on me, please. But this is how, just giving you an idea. Gotta replace this now. It's really bad. I don't know about the other side. I connected the battery to see if my reverse work. Before, my reverse doesn't want to work. It catch in, but it won't spin. So I did the speed sensor, and I think I did it. I just need to go for a test drive.